Mastering the trend, 50-day MA strategy, identifying the pullback, the optimal entry point, successful bounce confirmed. This is a simple and powerful moving average trading strategy.
Using the 15-period and 20-period moving averages. The strategy begins when the faster 15 SMA crosses above the slower 20 SMA,
signaling the start of a potential uptrend. After the crossover, the price stays above both moving averages.
The uptrend is active, confirmed by the SMA crossover. This strong bullish pattern tells us to buy here. We're going to be adding a few different indicators to our chart, and I will explain exactly how to use them. This video explains a simple and powerful moving average trading strategy using the 15-period and 20-period moving averages. The strategy begins when the faster 15 SMA crosses above the slower 20 SMA, signaling the start.
Buying momentum. During the uptrend, the price often pulls back toward the moving averages. When a candle touches the moving average, forms a wick rejection, and then gets followed by a strong bullish candle, it becomes an ideal buy entry.
This chart explains a simple and powerful moving average trading strategy using the 15-period and 20-period simple moving averages. The idea is to identify an uptrend and look for strong buying opportunities. When the faster moving average, which is the 15 SMA, crosses above the slower 20 SMA, it signals the beginning of a potential uptrend. After the crossover, the price stays above both moving averages, confirming bullish momentum. During the trend, the chart highlights moments when the price pulls back to the moving averages, forms a wick rejection, and then prints a strong bullish candle. These moments are considered ideal buy entries because they show that buyers are defending the trend. The chart also marks areas where a strong bullish pattern appears directly on the moving averages, giving another reliable entry point. As long as the price remains above both lines, the uptrend stays intact. The strategy suggests holding the position until the moving averages cross again in the opposite direction. When the 15 SMA crosses below the 20 SMA, it signals the end of the trend, and all trades should be closed. This approach helps traders ride the trend with clear and simple rules based on moving average crossovers, price pullbacks, and bullish confirmation candles. This chart explains a swing trading strategy using the 10, 20, and 200 simple moving averages. The idea is to enter a long trade when the fast 10-period moving average crosses above the 20-period moving average, forming a bullish crossover. This crossover acts as the first signal that upward momentum is starting. For a stronger confirmation, both the 10 and 20 moving averages should be positioned above the 200-period moving average. When this happens, it indicates a powerful uptrend because the 200 SMA represents long-term trend strength. In the chart, once the bullish crossover occurs near the bottom, the price starts rising while staying consistently above all three moving averages. The entry point is marked immediately after the crossover, and a stop loss is placed slightly below recent support to manage risk. As the trend develops, the 10 SMA stays above the 20 SMA, and both continue sloping upward, showing that buyers are in control. This simple alignment of the three moving averages helps traders capture strong swing movements with clear rules for entry, trend confirmation, and risk management. This chart demonstrates how to ride the trend using three important exponential moving averages: the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 100 EMA. The green line represents the 20 EMA. The pink line is the 50 EMA, and the blue line is the 100 EMA. The strategy is simple. Look for buy signals only when all EMAs are aligned in the correct bullish order. This means the 20 EMA should be above the 50 EMA, and both of them should be above the 100 EMA. When this alignment happens, it confirms that the market is in a strong uptrend. In the chart, each time the price pulls back toward the 20 or 50 EMA and then bounces upward, a buy signal appears. These pullbacks allow traders to enter at better prices while staying in line with the overall trend. As long as the EMAs remain in the correct order and continue pointing upward, the trend is considered strong. This EMA setup works especially well on higher timeframes, like the 1-hour chart, and helps traders catch long, smooth trends with confidence.